Realme recently introduced a new device from its Narzo series, with the particular model being Realme Narzo NG. Although the name is somewhat lengthy, it is important to note that the Narzo series is a distinct lineup within this manufacturer's product offerings. In the design, we see something that Realme has been doing very frequently throughout its current series, with a round design for the camera module centered on the back, reminiscent of flagship devices from other manufacturers, but obviously in this case the cameras will be much simpler. It also incorporates a flat body and a back cover that is extremely attractive in terms of aesthetics, adding to its overall appeal. The size of the screen is 6.67 inches with HD resolution, but it has a refresh rate of 120 Hz and also includes the same mechanism to accurately recognize touches, even when the screen is exposed to water droplets, allowing for proper use even when it is raining outside of the device. This is a technology that Oppo has developed with all of its brands, such as Realme and OnePlus. It comes with a side fingerprint reader, and we will also find the 50-megapixel camera, accompanied by 2 megapixels of a decoration camera, another decoration point, and the flash. So even though it seems to have a very interesting camera module, it actually only has one interesting camera for selfies. We find 8 megapixels, and the processor is a MediaTek processor, specifically the Dimensity 6301, a processor focused on the entry-level segment. Moreover, this device is equipped with a maximum of 6 GB of RAM and a maximum of 128 GB of storage, along with a slot for microSD cards. Its battery is 5000 mAh and supports 15-watt charging. Like all things, we are talking about a very basic device, so obviously its price will also be basic. This device has been announced in India, so the 4 GB RAM edition has a launch price of 11,999 rupees. On the screen, you see the reference price in other currencies, just to give you an idea, although for a limited time they are applying a discount of 1,000 rupees, so it could become an even more attractive price, but we will have to wait to find out if Realme will also launch this device globally, or if it will remain exclusive to India, as lately the Narzo series has not had much global presence.